Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Sign into your own Google or Apple account on a browser or secondary phone. Once done, open Find My Device or Find My iPhone and enter the target's credentials if you have permission. Make sure the target phone already had location and remote tracking allowed, otherwise you'll be limited. You're not changing settings yet, you're verifying access. This step explains how to confirm the prerequisites. Once you see the device on the map, zoom and switch between last known and live updates to judge movement. If it's nearby, press play sound to trigger an audible alert even if silenced. If it's lost or stolen, choose lock or lost mode to show a contact message and prevent access. Reserve erase for when you're certain you can't recover it, because that removes tracking. Make sure to note timestamps and keep the account signed in for follow-up steps. Finish by confirming the device status, attempt calls or remote messages, and if recovered, unlock with your account or the device owner's PIN. Make sure to change passwords and revoke any temporary sign-ins you used. If tracking failed, one key troubleshooting tip: check whether the phone's battery died, airplane mode engaged, or location services were turned off. These explain most failures. If theft is likely, escalate to the carrier and police while preserving tracking evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.